In today's video, I'm going to show you how to collect Instagram mentions and tags in Taggbox. First, log into your Taggbox account and go to your dashboard. Next, click on Create Feed and select Instagram from the list of platforms. Now you'll see different options for collecting content. Choose either mentions or hashtags depending on what you want to collect. If you select mentions, Taggbox will collect posts where your Instagram handle is tagged or mentioned. If you select hashtags, you can enter a specific hashtag to gather all related posts. After selecting your option, enter your Instagram details or hashtag and click Create Feed. Taggbox will automatically pull all relevant Instagram posts into your feed dashboard. You can then moderate the content, customize the design, and publish it on your website or digital display. And that's it. You've successfully collected Instagram mentions and tags in Taggbox. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.